talk about how can you fix this problem on your how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here, and you just click on settings. So then it's going to show for you just like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list here. So then here you're looking for Microsoft Edge app, or just click on search. Then here add Edge app, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us. I like it, subscribe.